Are you looking for the best treadmills under $1,500? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Xterra Fitness TRX 3500 Folding Treadmill. The Xterra Fitness TRX 3500 is the best folding treadmill under $1,500. A feature many customers appreciate is this Xterra's ability to fold up between uses. It's a quick and easy experience folding up this treadmill to give yourself more room in your home once you've completed your workout. With a large running surface of 60 inches by 20 inches, users of all sizes will find this model extremely comfortable and spacious. This Xterra is also the best running treadmill under $1,500. This treadmill can carry up to 350 pounds and has an impressive 3.0 horsepower motor. Whether you want the feel of jogging down a flat street or climbing up a steep mountain, this treadmill has an excellent incline range of up to 12 levels. Not only are the incline levels giving you options for your daily workout, but this product also offers you 30 preset workout programs built into the design of the machine. Every 100 miles or so, it's a good idea to lube the platform, and with this product, the lube comes included. This model's frame and motor come with a lifetime warranty. Customers have noted in various reviews that the cooling fan is not very useful, so if you require a machine with a strong fan, we recommend purchasing a fan separately. Also noted was that the speakers were a little weak, but customers did enjoy the headphone jack option this model also provides. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna SpaceFlex. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna SpaceFlex is the best treadmill under $1,500 for walking. With a generous running surface of 51 inch by 19, you will have plenty of space and range of motion on your walk. The motor is 1.5 horsepower, so this machine is best suited for someone who isn't looking for an aggressive workout. With a speed range at 0.6 to 8 miles per hour, the motor on this product is built for someone more interested in a good power walk or a light jog at the most. It has a decent 12% incline range, so you will definitely have the opportunity to break a sweat. The maximum weight capacity of this model is 220 pounds. Built into this Sunny Health machine is a performance monitor that will accurately track your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and total distance. There is a quick stop device for your safety that you can pull out to immediately stop the machine from running. Sturdy and intelligently designed handrails are built in for your safety with balance and control with speed and incline buttons at your fingertips. Pulse sensors are also an added benefit to the handrail feature. This product has a lower weight capacity than some of our other machines, capable of withstanding no more than 220 pounds at a time. Keep in mind the user's weight and any added ankle, wrist, or chest weights for a more challenging workout. Buyers were disappointed in the speakers and said the volume just wasn't loud enough for joggers. Also noted was the missing pause button. Customers who might have to pause their workout for a moment won't be able to without losing their stats and having to start over. Customers do, however, appreciate the 6 separate LED windows that display their stats and goals. Number 3. Soul F63 Treadmill. The Soul F63 Treadmill is the best for incline running. With a maximum incline percentage of 15%, this treadmill will be a great fit for customers looking for a challenging climb. With a generous running surface of 55 inches by 20 inches, the user will have plenty of room for a full range of motion. Featuring a 2.5 horsepower motor and a speed range of 1 to 10 miles per hour, this model is built for mountain climbers. The weight capacity is up to 325 pounds. The Soul F63 was designed for a compact fold, offering you more room in your home between workouts. A USB port allows you to connect your devices as well as a headphone jack. A heart chest strap is included with this purchase, and the handlebars on this machine come with pulse sensors. Additional speed and elevation buttons are built into the handlebars. Conveniently, cup holders will be found directly in front of you and on either side of the screen that will display your stats. It's important to lubricate a treadmill's belt regularly. The Soul company recommends purchasing their lubricant for routine maintenance on the belt. Overall, this model has very few complaints, and we highly recommend this to anyone in the market for a model with a fantastic incline rate. Number 4. Bodycraft Spacewalker Compact Folding Treadmill. The Bodycraft Spacewalker Compact Folding Treadmill is the best treadmill under $1,500 with a unique design. With a 1-horsepower motor, this model is designed specifically for someone who is looking to get their extra steps in. With a built-in desk/table, you can mindlessly get in a workout while watching your favorite show, writing, or even working from home. Buyers love this machine's attractive and unique design and have noted that it adds to a beautiful aesthetic. The machine itself is compact but strong, and it can even carry up to 300 pounds. Its speed range is from 0.5 to 4 miles per hour. A safety key has been included to stop the machine immediately in an emergency or in case of a slip or fall. There is a bright red LED screen that also displays your workout stats. These stats include speed, time, distance, and pulse. Not built for high-intensity workouts, this model is a walk-only machine and cannot facilitate a high-intensity jogging or running workout. With a motor capable of no more than 4 miles per hour and no incline option available, your workout may be limited. However, with added weights to the ankles, wrists, and chest, this machine can still help you break a sweat. It is strong and sturdy and is perfect for someone whose office is at home.